I recommend MRF ZLX for sheer comfort and long life. MRF ZLX, you can bet on it.
Easy ride. Easy ride. Easy ride.
How was your ride?
It was an easy ride.
MRF Milo Grid. Easy ride.
Guys, कल मेरी नई बाइक आ रही है।
Great. तब तो I will come with Rohan every day.
Insurance है.
तुझे क्या लगता है? इंश्योरेंस, पीयूसी सब कुछ है।
I was talking about life insurance for Sia.
जोक्स अपार्ट गाइस, बट आज मजा कल सजा नहीं होनी चाहिए।
Seriously, life insurance तो जरूरी है।
LIC का न्यू जीवन आनंद देता है डबल फायदा। मैच्योरिटी पे मिले फुल पेमेंट और लाइफ कवर चले जिंदगी भर।
ए हेलो, इंश्योरेंस है क्या?
एक बार आके देख लो, कहीं मैंने कोई गड़बड़ तो नहीं कर दी।
सिर्फ मेरा नाम क्यों?
अरे जिसने घर खरीदा है उसी का नाम होना चाहिए ना।
और फ्रेंड्स क्या कहेंगे?
कहेंगे कि काश अपनी बीवी भी ऐसी होती।
पिछले 100 सालों से ऐसी हर अच्छी शुरुआत का साथ दे रहे हैं हम, यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the first ever virtual presentation of the Hindu Group Sports Star Aces Awards. This is RK, your host for the day, and it is indeed an honor and privilege for me to share this space with ace sporting personalities and people who have dedicated their lives to help sporting dreams of the nation come true. Sports Star Aces Awards, relaunched in the year 2019, has received an overwhelming response and support from advertisers and the sporting fraternity. And this year, in its third edition, we arrive at an interesting premise. With very little sporting action in the year 2020, we at Sportstar, in consultation with our esteemed jury, decided to honor the best performers of the past decade. The Sportstar Aces Awards 2021 would celebrate the consistency of performance and the impact of sports stars in the decade between 2011 and 2020. There are 11 awards under the popular choice category, 12 jury awards, and a special recognition award to recognize the work of organizations or individuals who have used sports for the betterment of the society. On this momentous occasion, we would like to thank our sponsors and partners who have made this evening possible. The event has been powered by MRF, the associate partner, Life Insurance Corporation of India, sports destination partner, Odisha, banking partner, Union Bank of India, energy partner, Speed Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, realty partner, Bhashyam, school education partner, SSVM Institutions.
To kickstart the celebrations in the 2021 Sports Star Aces Awards, we have Miss Malini Parthasarathi, Chairperson, The Hindu Publishing Group, World Cup winner Krishnamachari Srikanth, and Ayan Sen Gupta, Editor of Sports Star.
Warm welcome to our annual and much anticipated Sports Star Aces Award. As we are all confined to our homes, and because of the deadly, devastating corona pandemic, in these difficult times we thought it would be our job to bring you real cheer. And so we are also privileged to have with us an all-time great who beats all this, it's beyond a decade.
She's being too nice to me, dear viewers. Don't worry about it. Just being too nice.
I'd like to speak a little bit about Sports Star. You see, we've been one of the leading publishing houses who have thought ahead of others. And we've really had a lot of dedicated coverage of sport. And we started way back 70 years ago, in 1947, September 10th, when we had a magazine called Sport and Pastime. And that Sport and Pastime became very popular because it sent us great photographs. And even way back then, the idea of commentary on the sportsmen and the whole playing craft was very exhaustive.
I think what you said is very right. Honestly speaking, dear viewers, not many of you know. We are talking about 2020, right? This is the age of 2020. We talk about IPL, we talk about 2020, we talk about one-day cricket.
Yeah.
Now, you spoke about Sport and Pastime starting 70 years back.
Yes.
And I don't think many of the viewers will know about this. I tell you what, I don't think, Manu, even you will not know about this.
Why not?
I tell you what it is. The Hindu as a publishing house had a tournament called Hindu Trophy, and best part is this concept of 2020 or 50-50 was invented by Hindu. It was a 30-30 over match.
That's very interesting.
Yeah. The center spread photograph of Sports Star is one of the greatest stuff. I think Sports Star was once probably the world's best sports magazine, and I hope that it regains the spot of the world's best sports magazine. Ayan, it's all in your hands now.
As we move into the actual action, I thought I'll ask you and him as a famous celebrity cricketer, batsman, icon, and he is an editor who's really been working against the odds in this pandemic. How do you think that we could really sustain faith in the power of sport to remain a potent force as the pandemic continues on? How would we be sure that we can overcome the challenge and make sport a reality again?
See, you have to understand one thing, Manu, you asked a very valid question. I think that's where you'll have to hats off to the administrators. And hats off to the media, whether it's the press media, print media like you guys, or the digital media, or even the television, network, all the sports networks who are telecasting all the matches. Because you have to understand, it has made a huge difference, I can assure you. In fact, the last IPL, which was conducted in September, October, November, okay, for example, that was the biggest stress buster for all of us in India.
Yeah.
So hats off to the administrators, whether it's the BCCI or whether it is the Football Association or whether it's the Badminton Association. I think you'll have to give a lot of credit to the administrators, making sure that everybody's safe, but still the action goes on and everything is fine and fantastic so that it reaches your living rooms. You are able to sit in your living room and watch the match.
I think the first 3 months when there was actually no sport, it was very, very daunting. I mean, even for us, it felt like there's no hope at the end of the tunnel. But English football and German football actually started a little earlier. But for us in India, it was with the IPL. And suddenly, I mean, evening at 7 o'clock when you're at your drawing room, everything felt that, okay, things are falling in place. Because this feels normal. Even last year, I was watching this. And again, I'm doing it the same. So it gave you hope somewhere that, okay, maybe not today, not tomorrow, but day after, I can be out and I can be doing things which I love, which these guys are actually doing on the field today.
So thanks for that great conversation. And of course, Chika. And let's now just zoom in and watch the Sports Star giants of the decade. In other words, the gods of sport of the last 10 years.
We are sure that everyone is as excited as the organizing team, and over the past few months, a lot of effort has gone into curating this evening. And the part that has been played by our esteemed jury is highly commendable. A big thank you, of course, to our jury, Mr. Sunil Gavaskar, who recently celebrated 50 years since he started playing Test match cricket way back in 1971 at the Port of Spain. Ms. Aparna Popat, who has been a fabulous player in the past, winning senior national badminton titles continuously from 1997 to 2005. Ms. Anjali Bhagwat, who is the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna awardee in the year 2003. Mr. Baichung Bhutia, thank you so much, sir, who's been the torchbearer of Indian football. Mr. Vishwanathan Anand, who revolutionized the world of chess in India. Mr. M.M. Somaya, who is the winner of the gold medal at the Moscow Olympics in 1980, and of course the captain of the 1988 Olympic side. All of you, thank you so much for taking your time out for adjudicating these awards process. You dream, you plan, you reach. There will be obstacles, doubters, mistakes. But with hard work, belief, confidence and trust, there are no limits, said Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian of all time. And with that, we begin the evening by admiring and honoring greatness and consistency in a very special category. The first category being presented today is the award for Parathlete Sportsperson of the Decade Male. Let us take a look at the nominees for the award.
The nominees for Parathlete Sportsperson of the Decade Male are Devendra Jhajaria, H.N. Girisha, Mariyappan Thangavelu, Sandeep Chaudhary.
I'd like to invite Ripudaman Singh, veteran athletics coach, to announce the winner of the Sportstar Aces Awards Parathlete Sportsperson of the Decade Male.
स्पोर्ट्स स्टार एसेस ने इस बार जो हमारे पारा एथलीट देवेंद्र झाझड़िया का इसमें चयन किया है, ये बहुत बड़ी एक उपलब्धि है हमारे भारत के पारा स्पोर्ट्स के लिए। और देवेंद्र जैसा कोई भी स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन आज भारत में नहीं हुआ है जिसने दो ओलंपिक में गोल्ड मेडल लिए हों।
सबसे पहले तो मैं स्पोर्ट्स स्टार को धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि मुझे इतने बड़े अवार्ड से नवाजा जा रहा है, जो स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन डिकेट अवार्ड है। और मुझे खुशी है कि आज ये चमचमाती ट्रॉफी है वो मेरी लाइफ में हमेशा मेरे साथ रहेगी और कहीं न कहीं मुझे इससे एक मोटिवेट भी मिलेगा और जो हमारे जितने भी पैरा स्पोर्ट्स में प्लेयर हैं आने वाले टाइम में उनको भी एक इससे प्रेरणा मिलेगी, कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा।
Many congratulations to Devendra Jhajaria, the hero of Athens 2004, the world record holder in 2004, who became a world record breaker in 2016. If you want to understand what persistent is in life, look no further. And thank you, of course, to Mr. Ripudaman Singh for doing the honors indeed. The goal isn't a medal, the goal is to beat the best. These are those words, matured ones, from the heart of P.V. Sindhu. The second category of awards leads us into the story of such a medal winner who beat the best. Presenting the award for Para Athlete of the Decade Female. Here are the nominees.
Nominations for Parathlete Sportsperson of the Decade Female are Deepa Malik, Mansi Joshi.
May I please invite Mr. Adil Sumariwala, the President of the Athletics Federation of India, to present this award for the Sports Star Aces Awards Para Athlete of the Decade Female.
I am delighted to present the Sports Star Aces Awards Para Athlete Sportsperson of the Decade Female to Ms. Deepa Malik. Her achievements on and beyond the field of sport are an inspiration to all of us. Her persistence and her will to keep pushing boundaries is something Indian athletes have tried to achieve over the past years. Many congratulations to her, and I wish her all the very best.
I think a huge thank you to the eminent jury members. The fact that the lineup of the jury in itself is so legendary for them to choose me to receive this Sportswoman of the Decade award, oh my God, I think it can't get any bigger than, it was just a journey that started to prove a point of ability beyond disability, but it's going to come to this. It definitely makes my journey worth it and validates it. I'm grateful. It's making me emotional because when we talk about the last decade, I'm receiving it in my new home, which I have been able to construct and make only because of all the achievements that I have got in sports. The name, the respect, the cash awards, the rewards, and this trophy coming into my new home. It's like Sone Pe Sohaga. Thank you, The Hindu. Thank you, jury. Thank you, India. Thank you for honoring me with this. It is going to now further inspire me to give back to my sports and continue to serve the para sports and make India, the new India, inclusive through the medium of sports. And I think because that's the best medium to empower and to create an identity for people in disability. So thank you for giving me the wind beneath my wings through this trophy.
Congratulations to Deepa Malik, a woman extraordinaire, always full of life and greets you with a smile, always. You're a great inspiration to para-athletes, to women who pursue their dreams, and of course to every one of us. Thank you so much, of course, to Mr. Sumariwala as well for joining us today. Excellence is often down to the process put in place to facilitate it. That brings us to our next category. Ladies and gentlemen, the best PSU for the promotion of sport. May I invite Geetu Anna Jose, the Indian basketball player, to present the honor for the Sportstar Aces Awards Best PSU for Promotion of Sport.
Hello, hi everyone. I'm Geetu Anna Rahul, international basketball player and an Archana awardee. Today, I have got the honor and privilege of presenting Indian Railways, an organization which is one of the biggest contributors to growth of sports personalities in India. From athletics to basketball, from football to swimming, Railways, through their massive support to sports, were ensured that legends were in the making, converting many laureates to India. From V. Bhaskaran, who led the Indian hockey team for the Moscow Olympics, which won the gold medal, to the track and field queen P.T. Usha, K.M. Binamol to MS Dhoni, Sakshi Malik. I am proud to present Indian Railways the Sportstar Aces Award of the Decade for the Best PSU for the promotion of sports. Thank you.
On behalf of Indian Railway Promotion Board, I am honored and very humbled to receive this trophy, where Railways have been acknowledged as the best employer of the decade. And Railways has a history of running the sports and sports institution. And we have almost 3,000 active sportsmen working for us, and there are another 7,000 sportspersons who are in various capacities. They are working for the sports as well as for their different responsibilities. Railways provides career opportunities not only as employment, but we take care of their other welfare activities, their career and promotional activities. So, in a rightful manner, this is the true acknowledgement of Railways' decades performance as far as sports is concerned.
Congratulations, Indian Railways. Your contribution, of course, to Indian sports is immense. As the popular saying goes, it's not the team with the best players that win, it's the players with the best team who actually win. Indian Railways is one such team that backs sportsmen and sportswomen who put India's name on the world map. Thank you, of course, to Geetu Anna Jose for joining us for the presentation. The next award of the evening is to honor the Sportsperson of the Decade in motorsport. Let's take a look at the nominees now.
Nominees for Sportsperson of the Decade: Motorsport, Gaurav Gill, KP Arvind, Naren Karthikeyan.
May I request Parthiva Sureshwaran, the former Formula 2 racer, to kindly announce the winner of the Sportstar Aces Awards Sportsperson of the Decade, Motorsport.
Indian motorsport history has seen some very ambitious racing drivers. It takes another racing driver to know one because the pressures and levels of highs and lows is beyond comparison to any other sport. Something only a fellow racing driver will experience. The winner of the 2021 Sportstar Aces Award is someone I've had the pleasure of being his teammate and friend from the beginning of my motorsport career. We've shared some great memories on and off the racetrack. We were teammates on the track for Team India, partners in business, and most of all, friends throughout. Even though I wanted to beat him always on the racetrack. Naren, you've been an absolute giant of Indian motorsport, and I'm happy to announce that you are the Sportstar Aces Sportsman of the Decade. Congratulations.
Hello everyone, I'm Naren Karthikeyan here. Extremely happy to have received the Sportstar Motorsport Person of the Decade Award. Means a lot to me. Our generation have a lot of connect with Sportstar as a magazine, and as an athlete, they've done a lot for my sport in terms of coverage and in terms of covering all forms of motorsport through the years. What can I say? I'm delighted to receive this award. I see a lot of potential in the future. We have started the NK Racing Academy to nurture young talents in go-kart racing, the grassroots levels of motorsport. And I see the future being quite bright, and again delighted to have received this award from Sportstar, and wishing all the motorsport participants in India 2021 be a great year and start setting the tracks ablaze. Thank you.
Congratulations to Mr. Naren Karthikeyan, the fastest Indian in the world. And of course, in a country of 1 billion people, where a lot more racing talent can be found, you've really paved the way for Indian youngsters. I still remember way back in time, 2005, when he signed up for Jordan, that Australian Grand Prix, starting off, setting the pace, still does give me goosebumps. Thank you so much, of course, to Mr. Parthiva Sureshwaran for your presence.
On straight on, down the path of truth, showing confidence, character and strength, raising the bar, aiming higher, we are marching on, to lead and inspire. SSVM, dreaming big, molding minds, shaping lives. SSVM, looking up, growing strong, soaring high. Together we will stand. SSVM.
Teach me how to live, color my life with love, holding on to each other as we smile, as we soar. SSVM World School, making winners of everyone. SSVM.
No matter how far you get ahead of me, I'm going to catch you. That's the mentality of Usain Bolt. Not just his, but is also the mentality of several athletes in our country. India has a number of track and field heroes of its own, and it is these men and women we seek to honor today. Let's begin with the Sportswoman of the Decade, track and field. Here are the nominees.
Sportswoman of the Decade, Track and Field. The nominees are Tuti Chand, Krishna Punia, Tintu Luka.
May I now request Anju Bobby George, Olympian and star long jumper, to announce the winner of the Sportstar Aces Awards, Sportswoman of the Decade, Track and Field.
Hello everyone, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Today I'm proudly presenting Sportstar Aces Women Athlete of the Decade Award in Athletics. It's none other than Krishna Punia. Krishna, the first Indian woman to win the Commonwealth Games gold in New Delhi 2010, became the first Indian woman to enter the discus throw final at the 2012 London Olympics, finishing 6th. She also broke the national record that year in Hawaii, and her 4th place finish in 2012 Prefontaine Classic in the US, a Diamond League event, was upgraded to bronze after Russia's Daria failed a dope test. And the results going on. So Krishna, congratulations and thank you very much.
द हिंदू ग्रुप और स्पोर्ट्स स्टार पत्रिका की तरफ से स्पोर्ट्स वुमेन ऑफ द डिकेड का अवार्ड मुझे मिला है। इसके लिए मैं द हिंदू ग्रुप और स्पोर्ट्स स्टार पत्रिका को बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ। ये अवार्ड मेरे लिए बहुत ही सम्मान की बात है, मेरे लिए बहुत अहमियत रखता है और एक नई ऊर्जा मुझे आने वाले समय में ये अवार्ड देगा। और मैं स्पोर्ट्स स्टार पत्रिका और द हिंदू ग्रुप का ये भी आभार व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ कि आप जिस तरीके से प्रतिभाओं को सम्मान देते हैं, ये उन्हें आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करता है। बहुत बहुत आभार, धन्यवाद।
Congratulations to Ms. Krishna Punia, an international gold medal winning discus thrower, track and field athlete, 3-time Olympian, Padma Shri and Arjuna Award recipient. In every stride you look, you made the nation proud and opened up a world of possibility for all those who came after you. Thank you so much, of course, to Anju Bobby George as well. And now for the men. Here are the contenders for the Sportsmen of the Decade, Track and Field.
The nominees for Sportsman of the Decade, Track and Field: Jinson Johnson, Neeraj Chopra, Vikas Gowda.
May I now call upon Ms. P.T. Usha, Olympian and the Queen of Indian Track and Field, to announce the winner of the Sportstar Aces Awards, Sportsman of the Decade, Track and Field.
Last few years have been wonderful years for javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra. He won World Under-20 Championship gold medal with world record. Luckily, I was one of the few who was able to see the throw myself. The next year, he was won the gold medal in Bhubaneswar Asian Athletic Championship, and 2018 Asian Games gold medal and Commonwealth gold medal also he has won. And he is a world-class athlete and blessed with the talent that could take him far. I am proudly present Neeraj Chopra, the Sports Star Ace Athlete of the Decade Award in Athletics.
नमस्कार, मैं नीरज चोपड़ा। मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ स्पोर्ट्स स्टार मैगजीन, मेरे सभी साथियों का और जूरी मेंबर्स का, जिन्होंने मुझे ये स्पोर्ट्समैन ऑफ द डेकेड अवार्ड के लिए चुना। और मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं जब पिछले डेकेड में मैं शायद जेवलिन शुरू ही कर रहा था और उसके बीच में काफ़ी उतार चढ़ाव आए, जिनसे मैं अभी तक बहुत कुछ सीख रहा हूँ। और आशा करता हूँ कि आप सभी का प्यार और सपोर्ट ऐसे ही मिलते रहेंगे और मैं देश का नाम ऐसे रोशन करता रहूँगा। धन्यवाद।
Give it up for the reigning Asian and Commonwealth Games champion. Neeraj Chopra, of course, is the main reason several Indian youngsters have gravitated towards the javelin. Neeraj recently bettered his own national record in men's javelin with an 88.07 meter throw at the Indian Grand Prix a few weeks ago. He's one of India's brightest stars heading into the Olympics this year. Congratulations and all the best to you, Neeraj. I'm building a fire, and every day I train, I add more fuel. At just the right moment, I light the match, said Mia Hamm, American two-time Football World Cup winner and two-time Olympic gold medalist. India has a bunch of medalists of its own who set the biggest stage in the sporting world on fire with their performances, and that brings us to the next category, Sportswoman of the Decade, Olympic Sport. Here are the nominees.
Nominees for Sportswoman of the Decade, Olympic. Mirabai Chanu, Mary Kom, Sakshi Malik.
May I now invite Mr. Akhil Kumar, Olympian and Commonwealth Games gold medal winning boxer, to present the honor for the Sportstar Aces Awards Sportswoman of the Decade, Olympic Sport.
पिछले एक दशक से भारतीय महिला मुक्केबाजी का विकास हुआ है और नॉर्थ ईस्ट की चैंपियन का उदय भी हुआ। वास्तव में वह एक वैश्विक स्पोर्ट्स आइकॉन है, मैरी कॉम, जिन्होंने 2012 में लंदन ओलंपिक में कांस्य पदक जीतकर हम सभी का मान बढ़ाया। 2018 में अपना छठा स्वर्ण पदक जीतकर हम सभी को गौरवान्वित किया। 2018 विश्व महिला मुक्केबाजी में उन्होंने अपना यह पदक जीता था। मैग्निफिसेंट मैरी कॉम इस नाम से भी वो जानी जाती है और उन्होंने अपना उच्च स्तर पर पदक जीतना जारी रखा है। मुझे यकीन है इस साल टोक्यो ओलंपिक में भी वो हम सभी को एक बार फिर से गौरवान्वित करेंगी। मैं ओलंपिक खेलों के लिए MC मैरी कॉम को स्पोर्ट्सस्टार स्पोर्ट्स वुमेन ऑफ द डिकेड घोषित करने पर बहुत प्रसन्न हूँ। जय
हिंद। I would like to thank all the juries and all who support me, for this award. And I'm so happy, and I wish, to achieve more in the upcoming tournament competition in the future. So this is a big motivation for me as well, and I hope this time, the coming Olympic, for the country, I just want to give a gold medal. I will try my best, of course, for your love and the support.
Congratulations to Miss Mary Kom. The award is yet another indictment to the path she has paved for girls who dream of conquering the world of boxing. A big shout out to you for being an inspiration to many. And thank you, of course, to Mr. Akhil Kumar for joining us this evening. Right, let's move on. It's now time for the last award of the evening. To quote Michael Jordan, talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. It's time now to honor the best club of the decade. Here are the contenders.
Here are the nominees for Club of the Decade. Bengaluru FC, Mumbai Indians, Patna Pirates.
May I request Baichung Bhutia, former India captain and star striker, to announce the winner of the Sportstar Aces Awards Club of the Decade.
It's an honor to present the Club of the Decade award to Bengaluru FC. Though it was a tough challenge, there were other teams which were equally great, which had performed great over the years. But I think Bengaluru definitely deserved it because from the time they've started, I think they have really changed the way football clubs are run in India. They've won ISL, but at the same time, they were the only club from India to reach AFC Cup finals, which itself is a great achievement. And they go on to produce great quality players for India. And I thoroughly believe that Bengaluru FC deserves this club award. So congratulations once again.
On behalf of Bengaluru FC, we want to thank Sportstar to nominate us Club of the Decade. We want to thank all the support for the journalists, staff and management of the club to be always supporting us. Thank you so much.
It's an absolute honor for all of us at Bengaluru Football Club to be named the Club of the Decade at the ACES Awards. We are deeply indebted to all the journalists, newsmakers, television personalities, and also our fans for the constant support throughout so many years. At Bengaluru Football Club, we are always eager to raise the bar, and to be recognized for our efforts makes us really very happy. In years to come, we want to make football bigger and better in our country. Through our various grassroots initiatives, we want to reach out to as many young children as possible so that they can take up the sport at the very young age. It is our endeavor at the football club to ensure that we not only create players for our first team, but also for the national team. We also want to give back to the community for all that it has given to us. I would like to thank the team at Sportstar for this recognition. Thank you very much.
Well done to Bengaluru FC. The rise of the club is nothing short of meteoric in Indian football. No dream is ever chased alone. The words of the cricketing legend Rahul Dravid hold good for just about any sport. Best wishes to the champion club for taking Indian football dreams closer to reality. And of course, thank you so much to Mr. Baichung Bhutia for gracing the occasion with your presence. And that brings us to the end of day one of the Sportstar Aces Awards 2021. Hearty congratulations to all the winners this evening. We're sure that the awards given today did take you down that memory lane through some truly magical moments in Indian sport. We thank all the presenters, awardees, jury members, fans who voted, and all of you who have joined us on this prestigious occasion. A special thanks, of course, to our sponsors and partners. Of course, the event powered by MRF, Associate Partner, Life Insurance Corporation of India, Sports Destination Partner, Odisha, Banking Partner, Union Bank of India, Energy Partner, Speed Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Realty Partner, Bashyam, School Education Partner, SSVM Institutions. We've got a lot more action and nostalgia and of course awards lined up during the subsequent episodes of Sportstar Aces Awards. This is RK signing off today, and don't miss the upcoming episodes. They are going to be a whole lot of fun. And of course, to sign off finally, be healthy, stay safe, and mask up. We'll be announcing winners of some of our highly anticipated categories.